Little raccoon in the garden. Oi, what are you doing? What are you doing in the garden? Blah, 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 blah. Woo. He's trying to finish it very quickly. Look. There's this a very timid and scared raccoon. She's got rabies. Yeah. Blah. Blah. Wow. She's probably getting high on this sugar water or something.
She's poured most of it on the floor.
That was silly, wasn't it? She's going to jump off here and scrape her eyes out. Eh? What makes you think this is okay?
Come on.
Little raccoon. Get off me! Blah. Hey! Ah, I'm scared! And she's licking all the sugar off there. I don't think she's bothered, would you? Do you think she's bothered?
No. I don't know whether it's a he or a she.
You don't look bothered. Hey!
Don't go too close, you might lurch at you and nip you. Wouldn't be good.
She's desperate to empty the bloody thing. She's trying to chew the little flower off, isn't she?
No.
Oh, look at the nails. Oh, look at the bloody nails on there. So we've lost her then. Poke her with a stick. No, don't.
Come on. There you go.
Go on, get out.
There you go.
Blah!
Go on.
What? You want?
Give me nuts all the time.
She's just...
She's not bothered at all.
Oh my god.
No, there's a bit of worry. She might come and attack us now.
There, bugger off. Now she runs away.